In this 51st video of FreeCAD series, we're going to cover a Revolve tool inside FreeCAD. Hey there everyone, welcome to Engineering Pritam. If you are new to this channel and want to follow us along in this FreeCAD journey, then please make sure you subscribe. As in this channel, you're not only going to find the FreeCAD series, but also tutorials and videos in other engineering topics. Alright, so let's get back to the topic of the day, which is how we can utilize Revolve tool inside FreeCAD. Alright, so first of all, what we need to do is we need to be in part design workbench, and here you can see I just created this new file which doesn't have anything. First thing what we're going to do here to do revolve is we need to plot the sketch. Alright, so let's say I would like to design a flange. For that, let's first of all create sketch. Now I'm going to select this particular plane. Now let me click here on home so that we see this isometric, and now from here I can select the plane. For example, let's go with XZ plane. Now let me plot the flange. For that, I'm gonna choose this polyline, and this is the shape of the flange. The good thing here I like about FreeCAD is also offering on the go constraint. So here you can see everything is horizontal and vertical, so I do not need to worry about. The next thing what I should do is I should use dimensional constraint to further constrain this geometry. Let's make it 15, and this one probably I can make 5. Okay, now I guess there are still few dimensions left, so let's make this one equal, and let's give it a certain distance, and let's keep the distance as 5. Now here, let's say our sketch is ready to revolve. The next thing here I'm going to do is I am going to toggle the construction geometry, and let's plot the construction axis. Okay, it is ideal actually to create your own axis rather than depending on a standard XYZ axis, because sometime our expectation may change and then we do not want to revolve around any particular standard axis. Now after creation of this sketch, let me select it and let's click here on revolve. Now here what you see is the type. So generally the dimension type is the one which most of us will prefer, because this is going to give you flexibility of making sure like how much degree of revolution you want. Then the next is axis. So as I was mentioning, of course we can select vertical axis, x-axis, but sometimes it is better to go with construction line. So here you can see, despite we may not able to see the construction line, but FreeCAD knew it that we have created a construction line, and then the sketch is now revolved around that construction line. Now as I was mentioning, since this is dimension, we also can play with the angle, like up to how much angle I would like to do revolve and add material. There are few more options available. For example, I can make this addition of revolve symmetric to sketching plane by clicking here, and now here you can see the material is being added in both sides in equal amount. The second option here we have is reverse, which in this particular case is not applicable. Then here in type we can see we have got few more options, for example to last, to first, and the reason why I do not see any changes because we do not have any extra reference, for example to the last plane or to the first plane or up to certain face, and most of the time these are not used, but I hope you got it. It is almost same as what we have seen in pad tool. Now let me select this last option, which is 2 dimension. So this kind of give you option to add material non-symmetrically. For example, I would like to add 90 degree of material toward one side, and another side I would like to go, let's say 110. In this way we can customize our revolve using 2 dimension, and you can add material in form of revolve based on your requirement. Now let me again go single dimension, and then if you really want to make it circular, complete 360, you can simply put 360 here, and then you will see that our revolve is complete 360. So in this way guys, we have created this part using Revolve tool. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow us along as I mentioned in the starting of this video, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.